Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you a quick way to accelerate your video clips. It is quite simple, and there are two ways to do it. First, right-click on your footage and select the speed/duration option. Here, you can input your preferred speed percentage. For instance, if I want this clip to run 3 times faster, I will change the value from 100 to 300%. Hit Enter to apply the change, and you will see the video playing back much quicker. Let's reset and look at the second technique. Double-click the clip to reveal the adjustment line. By default, this line controls opacity, but we want it to manage speed. Right-click the effects badge, navigate to Time Remapping, and choose Speed. Now, this line represents your clip's velocity. You can easily adjust it by dragging. Pulling it up to 200% doubles the speed, while dragging it down to 50% creates a slow motion effect. You can even push it to 1000% for an extremely fast result. That covers the basics for this tutorial. Drop a comment below with what you would like to learn next. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more guides. See you next time.